in the class on section 2.4, question 2b, and at least in the book I have here at home, that is on page 61 of the homework assignment. 2b is asking for us to come up with what a value that the Babylonians would have used as a closer approximation for pi than what they normally use. Now if you look in 2a, it says that basically pi ended up being equivalent to 3. And it says that the Babylonians determined the area of a circle. So we're going to write a formula here. The Babylonians obviously wouldn't have used this notation, but we're going to do this because that's the way we think about these things. That the area of a circle is equal to 1/12 the square of the circle's circumference. So if you remember, the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and if we then square that and we do a little simplification on all of this, we will get that, I'm sorry, this should be 1/12, there we go, all right. So this will be 1/12 times 4 pi squared r squared, and with a little bit of simplification, we get that the formula that the Babylonians would have used for area of a circle is going to end up being pi squared r squared over 3. Now that's not the answer to 2a. 2a, they want you to verify that now pi is equal to 3 using this particular formula. And so I suggest for doing 2a that you now take this formula. So this is the, I'll say a sub b, meaning that's the Babylonian formula. Take a sub b, set it equal to the area for a circle as we know it. Set those two equal and solve for pi, and it should come out that that's 3. Okay, so that's 2a. For 2b then, what you're going to do is take the same formula. So we're going to take the Babylonian formula, that is, the pi squared r squared over 3, and we want to multiply that times the adjusted value that they would use, the adjustment value, the 24/25. And so work that out and simplify it. So here's your little hint here. You're going to simplify that. And then when you get that simplified, you're going to take, again, this simplified, this would be we'll call this a sub b1. This is a little better approximation. And again, set that equal to the area of a circle as we know it, and solve for pi. And you will find, here you're also solving for pi. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this, a sub b1, set that equal to the area of a circle that we use. Again, solve for pi. And that should then give you the approximation that the Babylonians would have used for pi, this little better approximation. So if you get stuck on that, send me an email, but hopefully that's enough of a hint where I'm not doing all of the work for you, but it's giving you a way to kind of see how to do these. All right.